It starts with a single step. A foot strikes the ground, muscles tense, lungs expand, the heart beats faster. But beneath the surface, a cascade of biology is ignited. Exercise isn't simply about burning calories. It reorganizes your biology, rewiring the brain, strengthening vessels, reshaping cells, even influencing genetic expression. What humans once ran for, food, safety, survival, we now run for health. The body remembers these ancient demands and adapts with remarkable precision. This is the science of exercise, a journey inside the body system by system to reveal how movement transforms not just lifespan, but healthspan. The heart responds first. Adrenaline surges, heart rate climbs, oxygen demand soars, blood flow is redistributed to fuel muscles and brain. With consistent training, the left ventricle enlarges and thickens. Stroke volume, blood pumped per beat, increases. Resting heart rate falls, a marker of cardiovascular fitness. Capillaries multiply through muscle tissue in a process called angiogenesis. Like building new roads, these networks improve oxygen delivery and waste removal. Exercise also improves blood chemistry. Hemoglobin rises, carrying more oxygen. HDL cholesterol increases, clearing artery walls, while LDL decreases. Lungs expand like bellows. Millions of alveoli, the tiny sacs of gas exchange, open wider, pulling oxygen in and pushing carbon dioxide out more effectively. VO2 max, the maximum oxygen the body can use, rises with training. Higher VO2 max equals better endurance, reduced fatigue, and improved survival rates in cardiovascular studies. Respiratory muscles like the diaphragm strengthen too. Each breath becomes deeper and more efficient, allowing athletes to control breath under stress. Muscle fibers endure microscopic tears during activity. Recovery rebuilds them stronger and more resilient, a process known as hypertrophy. Mitochondria, the power plants of cells, multiply in response to exercise. More mitochondria mean more efficient energy production and less fatigue. Strength training activates satellite cells, muscle stem cells, that fuse to repair and enlarge fibers. This cellular teamwork drives growth and repair. Bones adapt under stress. Impact stimulates osteoblasts, the builders of bone tissue. Density increases, protecting against fractures and osteoporosis. Even cartilage benefits. Movement increases synovial fluid circulation, lubricating joints and reducing wear. Motion truly preserves mobility. Exercise stimulates brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, sometimes called fertilizer for the brain. It promotes growth of new synapses, supporting learning and memory. Neurotransmitters surge. Dopamine sharpens focus, serotonin boosts mood, and endorphins relieve pain. Even short workouts reduce anxiety and depression symptoms. The hippocampus, the brain's memory hub, actually enlarges with aerobic exercise. This protects against age-related decline and dementia risk. In children, exercise enhances attention networks, improving academic performance. In adults, it supports cognitive resilience across decades. Creativity improves as well. Walking and aerobic activity increase divergent thinking, the ability to generate multiple solutions to a problem. Muscles absorb glucose more efficiently during and after exercise. Insulin sensitivity improves, lowering risk of type 2 diabetes. The immune system is boosted. White blood cells circulate faster, inflammation markers decline, and chronic disease risks are reduced. Exercise balances sex hormones. Women experience reduced PMS severity and smoother menopause transitions. In men, testosterone is stabilized. Hunger hormones shift too. Ghrelin decreases while leptin sensitivity increases. Appetite regulation improves, supporting weight control. And metabolism doesn't just rise during exercise, it stays elevated after. This is known as EPOC, or the afterburn effect. Increased blood flow nourishes skin, supporting collagen and elasticity. Regular activity slows visible aging. The gut microbiome diversifies with exercise, improving digestion, immunity, and mood through the gut-brain axis. Kidneys adapt too. Improved renal blood flow enhances filtration, toxin clearance, and stabilizes blood pressure. Exercise extends health span, the years lived in good health, not just lifespan. More active years, less disability. Sedentary living, however, reverses these gains. Prolonged sitting raises cardiovascular risk, weakens muscles, and accelerates decline. The World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate activity per week, or 75 minutes vigorous. A small dose with large impact. Studies show even 30 minutes a day reduces risk of heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and depression significantly. Short bouts add up too. 3 brisk 10-minute walks provide comparable benefit to 1 longer session. Every step counts. Doctors call exercise the most powerful medicine available, effective, low cost, and with minimal side effects. Exercise is not punishment for what you ate. It is a reset button for your biology. Each time you move, you tell your body to repair, to grow, to adapt. Cardiovascular fitness strengthens your heart and lowers disease risk. Mental clarity sharpens with neurotransmitters that reduce stress and improve mood. Sleep deepens, and recovery accelerates. These changes compound over years. Fewer hospital visits, fewer medications, more independence, more life lived fully. The science is clear. Movement is one of the strongest predictors of healthy aging. Exercise is not a punishment. It is a privilege, a prescription freely available to all, a tool for body and mind to thrive. If you found this episode of Medical Minute valuable, like, subscribe, and share. Because the best medicine is knowledge, and it works best when passed on.